step by step of how to change the language back to English on the Samsung Galaxy S26, 26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down. So scroll down, and around here near the bottom of the screen you can see there is this icon, 3 lines running across. So tap on that icon with 3 horizontal lines. That is general settings, and then we go in here and tap on the first option and then change it to English. If you do not see English in here, you can tap on the add button, and from the list scroll down and select English. So English, once you're in the English page, you can choose which English language to use. There are a variety, so in here we can choose one from the list. So it's quite a lot in here you can choose, as you can see. So just simply select one and then tap on this button over here on the right hand side, the apply button, and that's it. So now we have changed it back. You can also move the language up as well if you have multiple languages, and then that's it. So that's how you can change the English, the language back to English on Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.